everyone. In this week's episode, we will talk about the most popular and commonly used programming language, Python, an ultimate resource to learn Python programming easy way in 2020. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe. If you're on YouTube, click on the alert notification. That way, when we release more videos like this or go live, you will get notified. For someone who's really serious about pursuing and growing in a career in IT, a basic question that rolls the mind is this: which is the best programming language to learn? Most people who want answers to this question tend to get slightly confused because they would have heard about multiple languages such as Java, Python, PHP, etc. It isn't selecting that one truly app programming language to learn about the challenge lies. Every programming language has its advantages and disadvantages. A language that is perfectly suited for developing a certain type of application might not fit for developing other types. So, keeping the debate aside of which programming language is good to learn among all, let us look at the agenda for today's video. In the upcoming discussion, we will focus on the following topics. We shall understand what is Python and why it is popular, Python 2 versus Python 3. Let's begin to discuss what is Python. Python is one of the powerful programming languages that is high level, open source, and most commonly used for web development, scientific and mathematical application development, etc. Now, the greatest advantage of this program is it provides excellent library support and has a larger developer community and also provides easy integration with web services and GUI based desktop applications. Python is fast, easy to use, and the most preferred programming language for developing projects by many companies such as YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and Cura, etc. Apart from web development and desktop app development, Python is extensively used in the data science field and is used for developing machine learning projects. Because of its huge popularity, many IT professionals are learning this programming language to build a career as Python developer. That basically wraps up this topic about what is Python. Let us now discuss Python 2 versus Python 3. Let's see what is Python 2. Python 2 has been the most popular version released in the year 2000. This helped code developing process very easy compared to its earlier versions. Python 2 is the most transparent and inclusive language development process than its earlier versions. Python 2 has implemented technical details of Python Enhancement Proposal, that's PEP. Python 2.7 is the last version of Python 2 and is no longer under development and will be discontinued in 2020. Here are the different versions of Python and the release dates are as follows. Python 2.0 was released in October 16, 2000, 2.1 April 17, 2001, 2.2 December 21, 2001, 2.3 July 29, 2003, 2.4 November 30, 2004, 2.5 November 19, 2006, 2.6 October 1st, 2008, and 2.7 was released in July 3rd, 2010. Since we now know what is Python 2, let us know about Python 3. Python 3 is an improved version released in the year December 2008. This version was released with the aim of fixing the errors that existed in Python 2. Many companies are switching towards Python 3 version. This version provides huge library support. Let's see the different versions of Python 3 and release dates are as follows. Python 3.0 was released in December 3rd, 2008, 3.1 June 27, 2009, 3.2 February 10, 2011, 3.3 September 29, 2012, 3.4 March 16, 2014, 3.5 September 13, 2015, 3.6 December 23, 2016, 3.7 June 27, 2018, and 3.8.1 was released in December 18, 2019. Now, let us discuss some of the key differences between Python 2 versus Python 3. Python 2 version was released in 2000, whereas Python 3 version was released in 2008. Print is treated as statement instead of a function in Python 2, whereas print is explicitly treated as a function in Python 3. Whenever two integers are divided, it always gives integer value only, whereas in Python 3, whenever two integers are divided, we will get float value if required. In Python 2, .exchange is used for iterations. Range function has been introduced to perform iterations in Python 3 version. Except argument can be enclosed in notations in Python 2. Exception argument should be enclosed in parentheses in Python 3. Before you choose a particular version of Python to develop your project, it is recommended to be well aware of all the available packages you need or want to use, because both these versions have similar kinds of syntax but they are not entirely compatible. Now that we know what is Python, the differences between Python 2 and Python 3, to conclude, there is no doubt about this programming language is emerging day to day and demanding the professionals to keep themselves updated always with all recent changes. Please look for the next video tutorial that discusses some of the fundamentals of Python programming language and basic syntax to write Python programs on a Simpliv website www.simpliv.com, or reach out to the numbers on your screen 510-849-6155. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. I look forward to you joining us again in the next video. Happy learning!